Hi everyone, welcome to Math Learner. In this video, we are going to solve this exponential question. And you can see over here, 2 to the power m equals to 7 to the power n equals to 196. What can we get from these informations? First, let's split this equation into two parts. 2 to the power m equals to 196. 7 to the power n equals to 196. This allows us to understand the features of each variables more easier. Here, we can see fractions 1 over m and 1 over n in the question. So we should think how we can get such fractions from these informations. According to the exponent law, a to the power m also rise to power n equals to a to the power mn. So if we get the nth root on both sides of this equation, we can get it. 2 to the power m also rise to power 1 over m equals to 196 to the power 1 over m. 7 to the power n also rise to the power 1 over n equals to 196 to the power 1 over n. That is 2 to the power m times 1 over m cancelled equals to 196 to the 1 to the power 1 over m. 7 to the power n times 1 over n equals to 196 to the power 1 over n. This cancelled. That is 2 equals to 196 to the power 1 over m, and 7 equals to 196 to the power 1 over n. As you can see, this base and this base are the same, so we can use another exponent law, that is a to the power m times a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. So that is, so let's multiply these two equations. And that is 2 times 7 equals to 196 to the power 1 over m times 196 to the power 1 over n. That is 14 equals to 196 to the power 1 over m plus 1 over n. But now we notice that this is 14 to the power 1, and these two bases are not the same, so it's not easy to know the relationship between 1 over m plus 1 over n at the left side. Can we express 196 as a number related to 14? Yes. 196 divided by 2, and this is 98. Still divided by 2, and this is 49, and 7. So this is 2 to the power 2 times 7 to the power 2. Here we still use exponent law, that is a to the power n times b to the power n equals to a times b, the whole to the power n. So that is 2 times 7 whole to the power 2. and that is 14 to the power 2. So this is 14 to the power 1 equals 14 to the power 2. Also write 2 power 1 over m plus 1 over n. That is 14 to the power 1 equals to 14 to the power 2 times 1 over m plus 1 over n. That is 1 equals to 2 times 1 over m plus 1 over n, both divided by 2. So that is 1 over m plus 1 over n equals to 1 over 2. And so the answer is 1 over 2. Every time when we solve problems, we often get something useful from the process. For this one, I got some useful tips. The first one is rewrite. When I write down this equation, I don't know much about 1 over m plus 1 over n relates to other parts of this equation. After I rewrite 196 as 14 to the power 2, I recognize that 1 equals to 2 times 1 over m plus 1 over n. Why? Because they have the same base. So rewrite is a very useful skill. The second is formulas. When you use formulas, when you learn formulas, you could ask yourself, why these formulas make sense? And try to explain the reasons to yourself. In that way, you can remember it naturally, and when the situation matches, you'll notice it more fast. So, you can see here, and here, and here. We found it maybe there is some formulas to help us to solve the question. And for this one, we notice they have the same exponent, so we can use the formula like this. And in this one, we can find they have the same base, so we can use the formula of this. And for this one, we know we want a power of 1 over m or 1 over n, so we thought about the formula like this. So this is useful. So when you use the formulas, don't remember it. Understand is the most important thing. And third one is solving strategies. For this problem, we analyze it from the conditions. And we can also start it from the question. We can see 1 over m plus 1 over n. And they can be expressed as m plus n over mn. And if we want to get mn, we can use this equation. But how? We can raise the both sides to power n. So we can get 2 to the power mn. and zero them in. So along this way, maybe we can figure this problem. You can try it. And this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.